Hello crafters and welcome back to Craft Kala. So let's begin. Take a strip of paper and fold it on 1 centimeter as I am doing. Now make the cuts on a 1 centimeter portion. When you are done with making the cuts, just fold it or make it circular as I am doing in the video. Now when you are done with pasting, just take on a 1 centimeter part, just add glue and take a circle and paste it over it. Now for the lid, take a 2 centimeter wide strip and fold it into half and make the cutouts on the one side. When you are done with making the cutouts, just mark the circumference with the base and paste it. Now take a square paper and paste it over the lead circle which we just made. When you are done with pasting, just take it and place it over the base so that we can check out the proper circumference. And now you are done with it. Now open the lid and put some chocolates. And close the lid, as this is a gift we are making for someone on their graduation day. Just put some chocolates or sweets which you can add or which someone you are gifting is loving. When you are done with putting chocolates or sweets, just we will make the tassel for the hat. For that I have used white woolen thread. You can use any other silk thread or normal thread. So when you are done with making of tassel, just paste it as I am doing. And now we are done with the hat. And now you can craft it and